Here's a story Microsoft won't want you to hear. A global logistics company came to us just 6 weeks before their Microsoft Enterprise Agreement renewal. They weren't looking to save money, they just wanted to validate pricing. What we found wasn't a pricing issue. It was a strategic misstep baked into their contract, and it would have cost them $1.8 million over the next 3 years. Here's what happened. Microsoft had positioned a full Microsoft 365 E5 suite rollout. Sounds great, right? Advanced security, compliance tools, voice features, but 90% of their users didn't need it. Not only that, Microsoft had pushed for a 3-year ramp-up commitment, locking in E5 adoption numbers before the tools were even deployed. So they were about to pay for features like Defender, Purview, and Teams Phone for thousands of users who weren't using any of it. Here's what Redress Compliance did. We ran a license-to-usage alignment, user by user, and proved that 70% of their workforce only needed Microsoft 365 E3 or F3. We challenged Microsoft's forced E5 commitment and rewrote the ramp-up terms with usage-based activation clauses. We renegotiated the contract structure to allow license flexibility so they could scale entitlements based on actual deployment, not projections. We helped the client separate compliance needs from product bundling, choosing standalone licenses for critical functions and skipping the bloated E5 stack for everyone else. By the time the deal closed, we'd cut $1.8 million in unnecessary licensing and given the client full control over adoption. The best part? They avoided a multi-year commitment to licenses their users didn't need, without hurting the relationship with Microsoft. Visit redresscompliance.com. If your Microsoft EA renewal includes E5 upgrades, hidden ramp-ups, or forced bundles, let's rewrite the playbook before you sign.